In this video, I'm chatting about Craft Geek's Variety Tripod, which you see right here. Now, the easy thing to do would just be to make an unboxing video, tell you how great it is, and then send you on your way. But I don't think that that brings any value. And so I want to go in depth as to why I think a device like this is important for any musician here in 2024. Spoiler alert, the product works fine and it does everything that I need it to do, and I'll get into its features in just a second. So if you're new here, my name is Cody. This channel is dedicated towards bluegrass and country music. I teach tutorials, I do a podcast, and I also do gear reviews to help musicians out there make better choices about what kind of products they're investing in. Because in addition to the content I make online, I'm also a performer. I'm out playing shows anywhere from 2 to 4 times a week, and I'm always searching for advice or gear reviews or anything that steers me in the right direction as far as decreasing my overhead and making my business more profitable. So I was reading an article the other day about Canadian singer-songwriter Bella White. And in the article, she explains how after a 17-day headlining tour, she profited all of like $2,100. Now, there's reasons for this. Inflation. Everything has gotten so much more expensive, including being a musician. So just, for example, in my personal show, my solo show, strings have gone up. Batteries to power my pickup so I can play the guitar to play the show have gone up. And then of course, food and travel if you need a hotel room, all this has increased in price. So when it comes to investing in products, you need to know what's right to buy. But there's a separate reason why I think it's important to own a tripod or a similar product like you see here. I read a lot of chit chat on the internet, in musician forums, on Reddit and on Facebook, where people are basically complaining and they're saying, hey, if you're a musician nowadays, you basically have to fulfill the role of content creator. And I believe that that is true, which is why I think that most musicians need something like this in your backpack or in your gear repertoire, because it's important not only to connect with your audience both in person and offline, but nowadays, as you know, AI is taking all of our jobs. I really think it's super important to get yourself some kind of online presence going. Something like this really comes in handy. I played a couple gigs this weekend. Here you can see in this video, I'm using it as a selfie stick, and it's a super long, as you can see, to shoot some content to upload to Instagram. In this video here with the full band doing some bluegrass, I'm using it off to the side to film some content, and I've also got Craft Geek's music stand right there holding up our set list. I did a separate review on that product. If you're interested, check the link in the description. But anyway, to the product. So I don't have my microphone like attached to the iPhone because I couldn't find my adapter, but that's what the side pockets are for, these side attachments. You can put things like a light on it, you can put a microphone. This is what I really love. The tripod that's holding up the DSLR camera right now, we don't have a great relationship. And doing this simple motion here is dang near impossible given the size of the camera there. And so I just love how versatile this is. I like the sleekness of it. You can see in the video there that it looks good, and like it, you know, I get really self-conscious about filming anywhere outside of this room. So anything that just is kind of easily hidden or is not obvious, I'm all about. This has got a Bluetooth remote control here, and it hooked up super fast to the iPhone, and it took a couple pictures, no problem. And like I said, this is a very long selfie stick, and it doubles as a tripod. But I think one of the biggest advantages of this product is just the portability. So if you've ever had stands, they are a pain in the arse. You can't transport them easily. They're big, they're bulky, they'll scratch up doorways. I did a video on the Bravo stand, and both the stand and the tripod fit inside of the Craft Geek carrying case. You can see me here in a video just kind of bragging about it. But that's great because I drive a 2-door Honda Civic, and basically when I play my solo show, which involves like an amp, an entire PA, 2 guitars, mixing board, tables, tip jars, merchandise, all of that, like I barely have room inside of the car. And so this really helps me. I just need stuff that doesn't take up a lot of space and that I can set up really fast, tear down really easily. And both these products are everything that I could imagine. And I'll end with this. I would say that the way I picture these products nowadays is like the stuff you can buy at Temu or off Temu and then in stores like Five Below. this is a step up, because that's a problem that I keep running into is I'll buy something off Amazon. I've chanced Temu a couple times, or I'll find something I think will stand up to the test of time, and it just doesn't. So just to end here, both of these products do exactly what they're advertised as. I recommend them both. There are some links and instructions in the description. If you want to use those, you'll get a percentage off, and it also helps my channel and my mission, which is spreading bluegrass and country music to a wider audience, getting back to our roots. If you are interested in that sort of thing, make sure you like and subscribe, hit that share button. It really helps me out. Folks, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.